Chapter 24. Let's take a tour. Every day, I get tons of requests for people to visit and learn about Lean at our facility. To handle all this interest, we do about 24 tours a year, but we have specific rules. We want only those who are truly excited about Lean and ready to learn. We aren't just teaching Lean, we're showing people how to build a Lean culture. Instead of hiring a big film crew, I decided to make a video tour myself with a simple camera and my Razor scooter. It only took a few hours. It's not perfect, but that's okay because perfection can stop us from getting things done. The goal of the video is to give people a look into how we think at our company. All around the world, other companies are also building Lean cultures in awesome ways. They're creating workplaces that are fun, efficient, and always improving. Lean isn't about doing more work, it's about working smarter and with less waste. The one thing, Lean isn't just a skill, it's a team effort. Lean isn't just about learning new tricks, it's about making a positive and fun place where everyone works together to keep improving every day. Win with Lean. Let's make your classroom or home so awesome that your friends would love to visit and see how amazing it is. Think of fun ways to organize and tidy up, like finding a special spot for everything or making it easier to clean. Lean is all about working together to make things better. Teamwork makes the dream work. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, I want you to know how proud I am of each and every one of you. You've learned how small changes can make a big difference, and you've taken the first steps toward becoming amazing leaders who can make the world a better place. I have so much hope for the future because I know you are part of it. You're creative, smart, and full of great ideas, and I can't wait to see how you use what you've learned to improve your classrooms, homes, and even your communities. I'd love to hear all about your Lean adventures. Ask a grown-up to help you send me pictures or videos of the cool improvements you've made after reading 2-Second Lean for Kids. Share your ideas, and who knows? You might inspire other kids around the world to join the fun. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep making the world a little brighter every day. You've got this. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 24, we learned that Lean is about building a fun and helpful culture, not just fixing problems. When everyone works together to improve a space, it becomes a place others want to see and be part of. You have the power to make your world better one small step at a time. Keep going and keep sharing. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in Lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that Lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Chapter 20 taught us to help others get better. Chapter 21 showed us that Lean is simple and fun. Chapter 22 encourages us to share what you learned. Chapter 23 showed why it is best to organize your space. Chapter 24 showed us that Lean is a fun and helpful culture.